How you going, guys? Nice weekend today, Saturday. The sun's out, still a little bit fresh, but after a week and a bit of rain, it's nice to see the sun again. Gonna get everybody cleaned up. Fresh food, fresh veg, fresh seed, water. We'll check everybody's boxes again today, see what everybody's up to. Let's get into it. So I don't know what I was doing just then. I took a bunch of photos instead of videos instead, but need to pay attention. So all the seed, water, washed. Everybody's the same. I'm gonna get into the vegetables now. Fill everybody up with new vegetables. That's the Troppo. Cutting back on that sort of stuff. Been using a little bit of this lately, the last couple of weeks. This is what I'm transitioning to. It's more of a pellet, South American pellet with the small parrot mix. So I'm trying to do that at the moment. Cutting back a little bit. Not so fatty. And there's all my vegetables. I'm about to chop all them up in a second. I'll get another video going in a minute once I'm all done and see how we go. That's everybody's veg done. Pumpkin, capsicum, kale, bok choy, corn, sweet potato, banana, beans. Everybody's got the same. This guy's into the corn already. So these guys up here. No, he's hitting the Troppo. That's alright. Might jump into the cages and start looking in the boxes and see what everybody's up to. See what's going on. Just at these yellow guys. Have a quick look. No, she's still stirring it up. That's alright, that's good. Alright. Alright, I'll leave you alone. That's a good sign. That's the female there. That's the boy. I'll go and check out these blues behind me. Let's see if we can sneak in with these blues and see what they've been up to. Not much. That's alright. Like I said, I'm not expecting much. I'm sort of leaning towards the end of the year at the moment with these guys. They're still fresh. Still learning, still working it all out. That's alright. They're in the box. They're looking around, chewing it up, making themselves comfortable, so we'll leave them do that for a while. Sneak in and see these Alexandrians behind me in 1 sec. I'll tell you right now what she's been up to. She'll be in there waiting for me. Hard to see at the moment, she's standing right on top of them. Oh, there's 3. There's another egg over there. Oh no, it's a cracked one. 1, 2, 3. Just need to move a little bit more. Yeah, there's still one egg under there. That number 4 egg I'm not too sure about. That's 3 babies so far, which is good. Happy about that. Can't complain.
These ones usually go
This is Clyde and Scarlet. We already spotted that she had 2 eggs in there the other day. So, see what she's up to. Still see one. Most likely sitting on top of the other one, which is alright. Not 100% sure. Looks a little bit clear, to be honest, but we'll wait and see. That's alright. And then we got these guys down here. Hello, mate. Hello, buddy. Food, water, apple. The girls still in here sitting on these eggs. It's hard to tell, but she is sitting on top of the eggs. So we're gonna... Naughty girl. We're gonna sneak our hand in a little bit later and pull these eggs out from underneath of her, because they're no good. Well, for now, that's pretty much it for another week. Gonna finish tidying up the grass, give everything a cut, a wash before the rain comes back. Chickens making heaps of noise. Yeah, that's it for another week. Thanks for watching. Any questions, any suggestions, any comments, feel free to let me know. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Have a good week, guys. See you later. That's it for another week, guys. Grass is cut. Birds are all fed. Everything's clean, looking nice. Looking good. Now these guys have got 3 little babies. We'll come out and check tomorrow and the day after that on number 4, see if it's hatched. And then these guys up here, probably another 2.5, 3 weeks, 2.5 weeks I reckon, and we'll see what happens. Check out my videos.